PiinkSparkles. Hey cuties! So today I am going to be doing a dollar store. Oh, that looked bad. Valentine's candy taste test. Hello everybody, welcome to Taste Test Tuesday. Hello, hello. Your girl went to Dollarama. Shocking, riveting, out of sight, out of mind, rare. If you are a cheapo and still want to impress your boo thing, maybe you can get some inspiration from these candies. Maybe it's Valentine's Day for you right now watching this and you are trying to find some happy medium because everyone sucks. So maybe you're watching this because of that. Or maybe you just want to hate watch me. Hate it, but love it. Please stop, subscribe. It is free to do so. Also, I made a TikTok recently. Maybe you should go watch the TikTok. My hair's all falling out. We're gonna keep looking like this. Let's get going. The very first thing that I'm going to try is super, super cute. They really went all out at Dollarama this Valentine's Day with their stuff. This says Happy Valentine's Day. Milk flavored chocolate. No, milk chocolate flavored. Milk flavored chocolate. Very cowy today. Me. There is like a little love note you can put at the back from to and from, you know, to make it 2 in 1. You don't have to buy a card. You can buy a card and chocolate in one. Please realize that Valentine's Day just isn't for love couples. You can give love chocolate or Valentine's Day gifts to your mom, to your brother, to your teacher, to your mistress. You know, just get crazy with Valentine's Day. It doesn't have to be like a significant other. I know some people are like, I hate Valentine's Day because they don't have a significant other. And then when they're in a relationship, they're like, woo, love Valentine's Day. So if you don't have a significant other, it's okay. You're your own best friend and you are sexy. And you are worth it and you're funny. Better if you don't have one, because you could just save money on Valentine's Day. You know, at least this holiday is a money grab anyway. Single people are on top actually this month. Okay, the packaging is, I feel like I don't like it. All this poor doggy's like, why? This looks like, oh, just is like a big chocolate heart. It has a little bit of texture to it if you can see that. Stop. The chocolate has no business being that good. Like, not at all. Oh my god. Buy this. It is so sweet. It's like you can taste like the sugar kernels in the kernels. Sugar's a corn now, girl. The more you know. Next, we're gonna try this Marshmallow 3D sheep. I'm not sure why a sheep was in the Valentine's Day section, but we're not gonna discriminate on sheep. You know, sheep need love too. The sheep... The Sheep Lovers crew on Facebook, maybe they were like, we need to be in Valentine's Day. That's just what happened, so we're gonna try this. I'm not sure like why, but your girl's confuzzled. Puzzled and confuzzled by the looks of this. Oh my god. Okay, there she is. Oh! She's serving pink puff. She matches my hair. Hard as a rock. I'm gonna need surgery. Not a vibe. Ew! That's so gross! Nash! Something that's not gonna let us down? Roses! Lean a little bit closer, see the roses really smell like poo poo poo. So I'm not sure what these are. Maybe I could have read. Could have read. Yes, yes. Milk chocolate. We're gonna unbox these little devils and see what's inside. Okay. Oh my, she just threw her panties off. Me. Happy V-Day, everyone. Just want one. Like, why is this such a difficult task? Here it is. A single rose. Will you accept this rose, Samantha? Yes, I will, Samantha. How lovely. So it looks like this now. It's just like a little chocolate on top of a whole plastic contraption that, you know, I feel like it is not necessary to have this much plastic. It's just a little chocolate. It's not in the shape of a rose at all. I am mad. The chocolate looks like this. It's just a simple heart with nothing on it. Okay, the chocolate tastes different than the original chocolate heart. I don't know how chocolate could be bad. So I feel like this one sticks to your teeth a little, but it's like milkier, silkier. It's more of on the Lindor lint vibes than the other one. The other one's like pure like sugar. This one's more like creamy. Very good. And the packaging, and for $1.50, like, hi. Next, we have Little Debbie cakes, and they are Be My Valentine cakes. These are so pretty looking. I have an obsession, okay? An obsession. Actuale. So they are all this color. For some reason, I thought they were like different colors when I looked at this. I thought they were like pink and white. Like some were pink, some were pink and some were white, but they're all this like beautiful pastel pink color. I don't like when people don't like Debbie snack cakes. I hate it. And some people say they taste like plastic. Like, my body's made out of plastic. Oh, they smell. Oh, they smell like those like amazing shortbread cookies from Walmart. Those like ones with the icing on it. If you know, you know. These smell exactly like it. Let's see if it tastes like it. They do. Girl. So it's like a Twinkie almost in the inside. You know what? That's pretty much what it tastes like. It tastes like a heart-shaped Twinkie. You can taste heart-shaped, trust. The icing is so incredibly sweet. These are so good. Oh my god. Soft, sweet. Oh, so good. Dollarama. You're about to make a girl act up. I'm gonna try these next. These are called Crispy Chocolate Ball with hazelnut flavored filling. Only me at 30 years old, wearing pink pigtail buns, would laugh at Crispy Chocolate Ball. This is when I reevaluate my life. At least my stuffed animals will talk to me. Speaking of that, we want to put it more on them. They're the main show here. Hi! Oh! Okay, let's just try this one. They look like this. Crispy balls. This is what we see when we open. Ew. It doesn't look appetizing at all. Here's what we were looking at, and then the bottom there. Oh my god, ew. It tastes like asparagus or something. Something like leafy, vegetable-y. Not in my wheelhouse. Next we have this super cute. Oh my god, I love this so much. This is like, why is this at Dollarama? It's Laura Secord, and it has a cute little, it doesn't have a dollar store on it at all. Like, this would be such a cute present with the little stuffed animal in it. Like Laura Secord. Let's first get this baby out of there. Oh, he is so cute. We're gonna cut off his tag so his trackers can't find him because he lives here now. Oh, look at him in there. He loves his new home. He's just gonna peek out. This is what's left behind. I thought it was gonna be chocolate. Why would I think it's chocolate? It literally says cinnamon candy hearts right on it. Oh, it smells like bad nights. That smells like Fireball. Bad decisions. That smells like bad decisions. Ooh, it really is like Fireball. Let me have one of these. Where are the hearts though? Let's be honest. Let's play a game of I Spy and play Where are the hearts? Or are these just circles? Ew. Ew. Oh my god. It's like cinnamon plastic. Yes. Gosh. Next, we have this Cuddly Cuties. Hi, Cuddly Cuties. Yummy chocolate candy, and I chose the frog one because he was speaking to me at a heart and it said, it's sad, totally yours. Such a punny frog. Oh, and this has the to and from as well. This one here was only $1 because there's no price tag on it, so spending $1 making someone's day. Well, I'll tell you if you should buy this or not. Give me a sec. Smells good. The chocolate's thick. That's always a good sign. Oh my god, no. It's the exact same chocolate as this first one. So sugary. It's almost too sweet. If you're on your period, I'm gonna stock up on those for my period. Just cut those period cravings right away with one bite. And the very last thing in this taste test is this big Hershey's Kiss. I thought this was so cool to find at the dollar store. A Hershey's Kiss solid milk chocolate is just a big one. I hope it is. And they don't just play me and there's like a whole bunch of little ones in there. I hope it is a giant Hershey Kiss. Hello everyone, I'd like to announce the giant Hershey Kiss. Alrighty. Ooh. This is so fun. I just put this on my Snapchat right now because it is a giant Hershey Kiss. Look at it. It better taste like actually like a Hershey Kiss. Oh my god. This is the best chocolate of them all. Why did it feel spicy when it went down? Why is it spicy? I can't do that voice. Okay, so that was everything in this taste test. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely the best thing out of them all were these Little Debbie snack cake. And the worst thing, I would have to say, were the cinnamon hearts. Maybe overall, I'd say these crispy balls were the worst thing because at least the cinnamon hearts came with our new friend right here. So it can't be the worst if it did have a good quality. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys like watching these Taste Test Tuesdays. Thumbs up if you guys want to see more of these. And I will talk to you guys all in the next one. Bye, guys.